Hi guys, hi YouTube, welcome to Lady T TV channel. I want to welcome all my new and old subscribers to my channel. Thank you all for coming. Thank you all for all your love and support to my channel. God bless you all for everything. I want to thank all my new subscribers. Please don't forget to subscribe, share and like this video. So today's video is about this candysmart lavabiancheria, that is washing machine. Yes, my own got spoiled, so I bought a new one. So here I'm showing you how it works. This has a smart touch, the menu. It has hand wash with hands, with your hand, washing with wool, baby wash, gyms, delicate, and it has a lot of menu on it. So here I'm trying to wash my colored clothes. So here I put it in the everyday wash, which is 59 minutes before, and it was I don't like it because I used it the other day. The clothes, it used about 60-degree hot water to wash, so that is good for when you are washing white things. So here I added my detersive, or that is my detergent for washing clothes, and you can use that tap to add it, but I know how to measure mine. You can use any detergent you like, guys. It is all your choice. I'm adding Cocolino brand of clothes softener, that is ammorbidente. Here I'm measuring it. You can full it or you can put half, it depends how you want the perf to be. So I add it on the middle part, the middle one. You can see where I added it. That is where it's supposed to go. So after that I close it and I regular it now. So I decided to put it on a lava mano, that is, you can see lava mano at the top. I put lava mano, that is washing with hand, which is 30 grad. That means it use warm water to wash your clothes and it wash very clean. So I then press avio. You can see the clothes is already in, so I press avio, she's to start. But that quotidiano is very hot, that is about 60 grad. This washing machine carry about 8 kilo of clothes. It does not consume a lot of electricity, so this is good for we housewives. You can go and get yours. The disadvantage of this washing machine is that it makes a lot of noise. That is the thing. And apart from that, it's okay, it's nice, it's elegant, and it's I bought it when it is on sale. It's from Euronics here in Italy. I bought it when it is on sale. So guys, check it out and you will like it. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, share and like this video. Ciao.